Attention please.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Here we go. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, de clap, de clap. Boom, de clap, de clap. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, de clap, de clap. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna tell you about a beat that's gonna make you move your feet. Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country, five and hip hop it. Put your heart in the sky, move side to side. Jump to the left, stick it, glide. Boom, da clap, ba boom, de clap, clap, clap. Boom, da clap, ba boom, ba clap. If the barbecue show and tell you how to move, if you're 5 or 82, this is something you can do. Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country, five and hip hop it. Put your heart in the sky, move side to side. Jump to the left, stick it, glide. Zigzag, cross the floor, shuffle in diagonal. When the drum hits, hands on your hips. 1 foot in, 180 twist, and then a zigzag, step slide. Lean it left, clap 3 times, shake it out, head to toe. Throw it all together, that's how we roll. Do the hoedown, do the hoedown, do the hoedown. Throw it all together, that's how we roll. A boom, de clap, boom, boom, clap. Come on, here we go. Boom, dap, clap, a boom, de clap, clap, clap. Boom, dap, clap, a boom, de clap, clap. Boom, de clap, boom, de clap, de clap. Throw it all together, that's how we roll.
Let it rain. Come on. Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slap. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low.
I ain't never seen nothing that'll make me go this crazy all night spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure to get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Work the pole, I got the bang bro. I must say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her more. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes.